getting water in all the lights and in the cords, and we got sick of replacing them.
And it looks more natural.
Exactly, and we also had a problem of, I mean, we noticed it too, and people would comment that like the lights are kind of in your face, and if they shine like back at you when you turn them on. So this way it directs all the light toward the formations rather than like back in your face or in your camera.
Got it. What's all this white stuff in the water?
That's a little bit of mud from our shoes, actually. So we used to have a puddle that would sit on the concrete here, and then we drilled holes so it would drain. And since then, there's been a little bit of scum on the top of that pool. It will settle out if there's nobody down here for a few days. So it's likely just a little bit of mud from our shoes and then maybe some bacteria that are feeding off of whatever's on them. So before the puddle drained, it was crystal clear. But I don't think it's really changing a whole lot.
And it's